Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to use the quick launch feature on this device. So did you know if you just like double tap the power button on your device, you will quickly open the camera. It works like with this lock screen too, and that's how it's done. Like, you can't just disable this feature or just customize it. You have always it enabled. Like, I couldn't find any other settings of this feature, but the fact that you can use this camera by just double tapping your power key and quickly open camera and then paparazzi someone, and wow, super feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.